Oh my god, guys, I am running late for work right now. Like, the time is 7:47 and I resume work by 8. Hey guys, it's day 3 of Ramadan. I kind of slept in today because I was very, very, very tired. And I told you guys yesterday that my period came. So, like, I was having serious menstrual cramp. Anyways, I'm actually ready for work, but I've not done my skincare. So, I've washed my face with my black soap, of course. And I have used my baby, my period alone as a toner. So a big checker serum, like I would usually like to I think I'll use this one. This is the 9less deep infusion serum. This stuff claims to give you like 72 hours of hydration or something. 48 hours of hydration. So I usually use this, but I'm not feeling it of recent. Like I'm not really seeing much of its work. This one I've used it to a certain point, and I think I like it. It doesn't do much, it just gives you that hydration that it claims. So like in recent times, I've decided to keep my skincare very simple, very straightforward. I don't want to be doing too much anymore. Like as long as I've exfoliated my skin and my skin is exfoliated, like you just go for minimal products and your skincare will be good. So after that, I'm going to be using this XSY dark spot correcting glow toner. So it's like a set with this one. So I used this yesterday. If you haven't seen that vlog, go watch it. This is like a spray, and I'm going to be using my what's it my face. Let me use this first. So you have to shake it because it has two layer, like a serum and toner layer. So you mix it, it's like a serum and a toner in one. So and then you spray on your face. Wow, I think the spray thing is faulty. I think the sprayer is faulty because it's not spraying anything. So I think I'm just going to open it and see if I can get it on my skin. This is crazy. You know what, I'm just gonna pour a little bit on my hands and see if it works. Yeah. So it's like a milky. I want you guys to see it, but I don't want to waste it. So it's like a milky toner, like that. And then you guys know my face cream already. It is the Purito Mighty Bamboo Panthenol cream. Like I absolutely love this. Mind you, my video is not sponsored, so none of this product I'm using. Like I'm not paid to say anything. These are just products that I use every single day and I love. I'm kind of rushing through this skincare because I am late. Okay, the boss I'm going with would leave 8:15. So like I have two bosses that I go to work with. So I have one early as 6 a.m. So if I was going into work early, that's the bus I'll go for. But since I'm not going to work early, I'm going like this is 7:52. I have another bus that leaves 8:15. So I want to catch the 8:15. I want to catch the 8:15 bus. So I'm kind of rushing through my skincare. So the last thing, oh my god, where is it? Okay, the last thing I'm going to be using is my sunscreen. Like I talked about it in my exfoliation video, but I was brief. So I think I'm going to do an in-depth tutorial on this sunscreen. Like it's my new obsession. It kind of leaves a white cast at first, but it dissolves as time goes on. So I don't actually use too much. Like I said it in one of my video. Like there's no point in packing the whole container of sunscreen on your skin. Okay. So that's my skincare. And for perfume, I'm using this one. This is the Saint Reserve. This is number 258. And this was actually gifted to me by someone. And I've been obsessed with it ever since. Oh my god. I didn't take my scarf. So I'm using um a jersey scarf. This is the one I'm using. Okay. So let's reapply our perfume. So I like perfumes on my scarves. I don't know why. Like it just, when you just it evaporates, it smells good. So, oh my god, I haven't even worn jewelries. Oh my god, I'm running so late. I have 2 minutes because I have to be out of this house by 8 o'clock. Okay, I have to be out of this house by 8 o'clock to meet that bus. So I'm just wearing my go-to jewelries. These are the jewelries I wear every single day. It's just like this stack of wristwatch, beads, and bracelets. This is your girl. Look at my skin. Like, can you guys see that the sunscreen has dissolved? It was giving white cast before, but now look at that. Look at that. Thank you. Okay. What else? What else? What else? Oh my god. It's okay. I was gonna change my bag, but I don't have the luxury of time, so I'm just going to pack my earpiece. I don't know. I'm going to do like a lip thing, a lip combo. Okay, is that working? So I'm using a lip gloss that I made. So I started making my own lip glosses, and I think I just got a new hobby. Like, I think I just found a new hobby that I actually love. So my first two production are these two, the pink and the brown one. This they're almost done, so I'm gonna be redoing another one. I don't know if I'm gonna make any video on it, but let me know if you guys want to see me make a lip gloss video, show you guys how to make your own lip glosses. Like, it's so fun. It's a fun hobby. So I usually mix this to, oh my god, that's a lot. That's too much. I need to put it somewhere. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Mhm. It's 7:57. So I use like what, 10 minutes to do my skincare. Well, that's fast. Hey guys, so the time is like 9:20 right now, and I'm close to the office. I'm just like 2 minutes to my office, 2 minutes out. I'm like an hour 30 minutes late, or I mean an hour 20 minutes late. But like, they will understand. This is Ramadan. You cannot be stressing me. I'm over about it. Texted my line manager that I was having stomachache, so he gave me the grace to come in a little bit late. Hey guys, so I just realized that I haven't been here. What's this? Yes. Ew. What's that, brother? Brother. Ew. Brother. Hey guys, so I realized that I haven't come on here to check up on you guys since morning. So I got to the office. I don't know if I told you guys. Okay, I got to the office around 9:20, 9:30, and I've been busy. Remember I told you guys in yesterday's vlog that I was on leave for like 4 weeks, and all my work was pending. I hope you guys can hear me. And all my work was like pending and waiting for me, and I've just been doing them. Then I was also having like some technical issues today, like my laptop was misbehaving, so I had to also fix that. It's like so many technical issues, and the Wi-Fi was today was just hectic. So it's actually past my working hour now. So it's actually 5:24 and it's past my working hour, but I'm actually doing some work with my boss. He stepped out for a bit, but hopefully by the time it comes, we're going to round up and then I'll be on my way home. But before that, I'm going to upload the vlog for day 2 of Ramadan. Then I'm going to leave the office. I'm also editing a video for, so hold on. So I'm also editing a video for my IG. The exfoliation video that I posted on YouTube. I'm making it into a short video. I'm making it into a short, so you can go check it out. So anytime I feel like my skin is dull or my skin is coming up with textures, or my skin, and now this is what this thing is going to do. So I have to finish this edit and then finish uploading the video from yesterday, and then I'll be on my way home. So I have so much on my table right now, like I have so much to do before I leave. Hopefully by 6 I should leave the office, and that's about it. I'm actually tired, so I'm feeling sleepy. No, there's no way I'm going to do my period and there won't be that one new pimples. Like, why me? So it's kind of painful though. It's actually painful. Oh my god, guys, ignore my ugly manicure. I know. I need to do my manicure. I'll probably do it over the weekend. She's so ugly. Like I've had this for over 2 weeks now. Like this is like the third week. It's just normal gel extension, and I love it. Like it's really lasted for so long. I'm gonna do like a manicure this weekend, inshallah. That's about it. I'll see you guys probably when I get home. Thank you. So guys, I'm leaving the office quite late today. I had so much work. It's so dark. Guys, I am just getting home at what? Guys, look at the time. It's 9:09 and I'm just getting home. I'm so exhausted. I'm wearing my Zara heels today. And something is burning in the kitchen. Hi. Hello. Meow. And my mom made yam with eggs. And I'm having it with some juice. So this is like fresh juice that I made before I left for work this morning. So it's just pineapple and watermelon. Like leftover pineapple and watermelon from Sunday. Yes, from Sunday. That's day 2 of Ramadan. So I made it into like a fresh juice this morning before I left. And then I'm having it with this jam and